In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove permissions from an Excel file. This process is essential for ensuring your data remains confidential and secure. Let's dive right into it. First, open your Excel file. You can do this by locating the file on your computer and double-clicking it. Once it opens, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the content and layout of the document. This initial step is crucial because it sets the stage for the following actions. You want to make sure you are working on the correct file, especially if you manage multiple documents. Next, click the File tab. This is usually located at the top left corner of your screen. Upon clicking it, you will see a menu pop up that offers various options related to your Excel file. This tab is your gateway to many important settings and features. By accessing this menu, you will be able to make changes to the permissions and security of your document. It is a straightforward action, but it is vital for navigating to the necessary tools. From there, choose Info from the left sidebar. This option displays important information about your file, including its permissions and properties. By selecting Info, you are now focusing on the protection settings of your document. This step is important because it allows you to see who currently has access to your file and what changes can be made. You are getting closer to modifying the permissions. Now click the Protect Workbook button. This button will typically be found in the Info section. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear, revealing several options related to file protection. This action is crucial as it gives you the ability to manage how others can interact with your file. Understanding these options can save you a lot of hassle in the future, especially if you want to prevent unauthorized access. Next, select Encrypt with Password. This option will prompt you to set a password for your workbook. However, in this case, we are looking to remove existing permissions, so this step will lead us to the next action. Choosing this setting is significant because it helps to secure your document against unwanted changes or access. It's a step most users overlook, but it can make a big difference in data protection. A box will appear filled with hidden password dots. Delete all the dots to leave the field completely blank. This action is crucial as it effectively removes any current password associated with the file. When you clear the field, you are ensuring that no password remains to restrict access. Remember, this step is important for making your workbook accessible to anyone who opens it in the future. After that, click OK. This action confirms your changes and finalizes the removal of the password. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the password has been removed successfully. This small step is reassuring because it ensures that your changes have been applied as intended. With that done, you have successfully removed permissions from your Excel file. You can now share your document with confidence, knowing that it is accessible to anyone you choose. Remember, managing permissions is key to keeping your data secure while allowing collaboration. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful.